Please click on the subscriber button and press the bell icon for latest technology videos.
A3Experts channel, and I am Jogendra. Today we are going to learn navigating between the two screen. So we all know about the how we'll redirect on next screen. So on button clicking we will redirect on our next screen. So just we need to implement some npm for the redirection. So we will just search on Google navigation between screens in React Native. So here is a many example for that. So we will choose default docs. So in that we can see navigating between the screen. Then here if you are integrating first time, so you will need one by one. So I'm going for the installation setup. Then here we need to implement two npm native React Native navigation or stack. So first we will install this. We are continuing in our old example, in that we have left on hello world, how are you, and in previous we learned about button click and alert view, and with also touchable opacity we can click on this. So now I am installing the two package that will be installed. Now we will read next step. So here is a expo setup. So we are not using expo, so we need to implement these for reanimated gesture and screens or safe area context. So we will install this. Okay, and here we are seeing this, these are installing and these are done. So now we will install these package. So parallelly we will create a screen. So I have created a screen directory. In that I am creating home.js, and another is details detail.js. So I have created two classes. So we need to implement. So now we will read. If you are working for Mac, then we need to install pod also for that. So here is the next step. So I'm implementing same cd ios. So I'm already in ios folder, so pod install. Okay, so parallelly we are doing same work. Import react from react. Okay, import, we need to view and button for redirection. So from React Native, here I am creating our class. I have created one class. Insert justify content center and align content center. So we will show center home view, and I'm same copying on detail, and both we need to export both. Export default, and here I'm exporting detail. Here I'm exporting default and home. Okay, and now we will go for the in this class, and we will remove all that. We need to only this. Creating two classes, we will implement the navigation in our app.js, because this is our root class. So in that we have import react from react. Now we will go on tutorial again, and here we are seeing the one is the example from the gesture handler, and we will choose uses. So in that we will see we need to import both native and stack from the our npm package. So I'm importing both. So after that we are creating the object of the stack. So here we are creating stack. So now I am pasting the old code from the here. I will explain in our code. So here we can see my stack is an object of this app.js. In that we are containing a navigation container. In navigation container we containing the stack containing the navigator, and in stack we will implement our screens. So here is a first screen, that this is a unique name of the our classes. So using this we will redirect on our next screen. So here we can see home, and another is profile. So that both are defining in our tutorial. So we will change that or that according to us. So first we need to import our both class here, so we can use. So I'm just implementing import class name home screen from. So here I need to give path. So I'm choosing new screen slash home. One class imported. Now detail screen from, here screen and detail, all clear. So now we will use both object here. So home is already used home, or in this object, this is the unique name of our class. This is component we assign to this unique identity. So we have assigned a home screen. Another is option. Here we can see title. This title will show on our navigation bar, so we can change according to our requirement. Second is profile. So we don't have any profile screen, so we will change according to us details. So okay, so here I will also replace detail screen. Okay, so now I need to export this class. Here doesn't have any clarification for export, but we need to export this class for using external. So export default and my stack. So this class is exported. So now I am starting npm start, and this is our root view controller. So first when our application will load, then this screen will be open. So again already one npm is running, so I am stopping this. Okay, so we will reload our application. Okay, here is a got invalid component props for the screen detail. So wait a minute, we need to save all classes. Okay, so we will see here home view is showing here align items. Okay, now this is showing in center. So now our first screen is displaying and with the welcome title. So we will change our title as a welcome to home. Okay, so we can say the here is home. Now we want to redirect on our next class, so we will implement the button. Okay, in button we have on press method. In on press method we will implement the navigation. So before that, and first console log button clicked. So now I need to give a title, next screen. Okay, so we can see here is our button and it's click working. So now we need to for navigating we need to use our navigation object. So we can see here is a props of the navigation. In our next tutorial we will also read about the props. So first I am just importing like an example. So I am just declaring here navigation. So using navigation we will redirect on our next screen. So I am just removing this code, and for navigation we need to implement the navigation dot navigate, and now we will enter our screen name. So here is a detail. So we have implemented detail screen is here. So for all classes we need to give a reference with the name. So name is should be unique, and here is a component. So we will import all our component in this class. This will be our root class. So using this name we can redirect on our next screen. So here I'm just trying, I have done my all code and I'm clicking on next, and it will be redirect us on next screen, and we can see it's redirected on next screen. So I will change align item. Okay, and this is detail screen. Okay, redirection is working fine, so we can check our both back button and next button is working fine. This back button is default from the React Native using the native npm. So we can hide this bar and we can implement also our custom navigation screen. So now we will clear one more thing, then how can we redirect on next screen from the detail. This will clear more how we implemented. So I'm just creating a new screen, this will call listing. So if we need to show any listings or listing.js, so I will just copy paste from code here for saving our time. So just will give listing, and here is a listing screen. Okay, so here I need to implement only button click, so I will just import from here. So just button. Okay, so I also having the screen and here in listing screen. Okay, so now we need to import the listing class in our root class. So from there we will define the unique identity of this class. So I'm just importing this class here, import listing screen from same pattern we'll use here, screen. Okay, listing. So now I will just copy the stack.screen and paste here. Here I am giving unique name is listing because we didn't define before this, and here I am importing listing. So I'm saving this class, and here we can see two code listing screen, but listing screen will code will not work because we need to give here unique identity. So I'm just pasting listing here. Okay, or now I need to import props as a navigation. So I just imported, and now we will check, and it's a listing screen. So we can check in our this tutorial our first screen is home screen. From home screen, if we need to tap on any button and need to redirect on the detail screens, then detail screen showing, and next is listing screen. So these are basic redirection, and these change according to our requirement. So basically we have used only npm package for the redirecting our navigation, and also using as a props to navigation. So in our next tutorial we will learn about the state and props. So just clearing about this, please subscribe our YouTube channel and share our video and like our video for motivating to us. We will meet on our next video with next tutorial. Thank you guys.